How to hide Instagram story from all followers at once. Hiding Instagram stories from all followers at once is quite easy and simple. Just launch the Instagram app on your device. Ensure to log in or sign in to your particular account. Now tap Profile at bottom right corner of the screen. Select the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. On the Settings and Activity page, scroll and open Close Friends. Select any particular user whom you want to show your Instagram story and tap Done. Now similarly, select Hide Story in Live. Now open Hide Story in Live from and choose the same particular user or person whom you have chosen as close friends. Now tap Done at top right corner of the screen and go back to the home page of Instagram. Now try adding the story. For that, tap top left corner of the screen and add any picture or image that you wish to add on your Instagram story. You can easily customize this picture or video using the filters, text, music icon, and many more here. After that, tap on the close friends icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. In this way, you will successfully hide Instagram story from all followers at once. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching.